This is Zichru Simanim Gemara Baba Basra Daf Kuf Lamid Aleph. Now, Kuf Lamid Aleph is actually a Hebrew word, well spelled with a chaf, which is Keleh, which means a jail. So Keleh is a jail. So Kuf Lamid Aleph is going to be a picture of a jail, and we see 3 points of this picture in the jail. Number one, we see that this inmate received the healthiest inmate of the month award from the prison doctor, honing in on the halacha that Rabbi Yochanan ben Broika will apply even to a bari, not only to one who's a shchev marab, one who's even healthy is going to be allowed to give away his estate. Number two, you see that this healthy guy is thinking that it's a good idea, although some kids might be upset. But you can't forget that B'nin Dichrin, their mother, get their mother's ksuba as a gift, which we're going to see is because it's a Tanai Bezdin, because normally you can't give away something to children who are not alive. But over here, because it's Tanai Bezdin, you could. And number three, we see the other inmate in the adjacent cell wants to give everything to his wife. And he says over here that what's his mindset of giving everything to his wife? That she's going to control the dough. She's going to be in charge. They're going to show her respect, meaning because she's going to become an apotropis. So in Daf Kof Lam and Aleph in the jail cell, we have number one, the halacha applying even to the healthy, that the halacha that even to a bari could give away Rabbi Yochanan ben Broika. Number two, that the ksubas nindechon is going to be a Tanai Bezdin. And number three, that when one wants to give everything to his wife, what it means is that she becomes an apotropis. Let's go a little bit deeper. Number one, this din of Rabbi Yochanan ben Broika, that even a bari can give away the Yerusha. Rava asks Rabbi Yochanan ben Broika, is your halacha even by a bari only a shchimara devar that he's very close to his it's close to death, or maybe even to a bari. Rav Mishash explained that the Mishnah, according to Rabbi Yochanan ben Broika, this means ksubas b'nin dechrin. But says the Gemara, what did the Mishnah say? Inon yartin kesel ksuba seich, they will inherit the money of your ksuba. And so since typically when is a ksuba written, from the fact that we're bringing a proof from the ksuba, it's written by a healthy person, that's at the time of the marriage, we see that even a bari, according to Rabbi Yochanan ben Broika, could give away his estate. Number two is, what was that healthy inmate thinking that ksuba has been in dechrin is given away as a tanai bezdin, not with the normal requirements. And this has to do with the discussion whether yazvun tanan or not, or yartun tanan. And the Gemara proved that it's going to be a Tanai Bezin, and that's the way it's going to work. That even according to a mayor, that generally will not work to someone that's not in the world at all, but if it's a Tanai Bezdin, then it will. And finally, number three, when one is giving all his estate to his wife, says Shmuel, what is his mindset? He's not actually giving his wife the entire estate and his children nothing. Rather, what it means is his wife becomes apachapa, she's in charge of the estate. The Gemara continues with a bunch of cases that pshita, it's obvious, b'nai gadol, he should become an apotropis. Why? Because everyone has a chiyuv midaraisa to honor him, so it makes sense. He's going to be in charge of the estate. What about a b'nai katan? Says the Gemara, even b'nai katan amuta ba'arisa. This din of Shmuel that he becomes an apotropis that's lying in a crib, he will become an apotropis. So we have daf kof lam and aleph. We have the daf of a keleh, a jail cell. We have number one, the healthy inmate. The halacha of Rabbi Yochanan ben Broika applies even to a bari. Number two, that ksubas ben dechon is Tanai Bezdin. Number three, a case called the chas of the ishtai lo yasa ella apotropis. Daf kof lam and aleph, the keleh, the jail cell.